Hi, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Explore page on Instagram so you can see content that actually interests you. We'll go through simple steps to refresh and customize your Explore feed. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone. This is where all your account activity and Explore page content is managed. Step 2, tap the Explore icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to the page where Instagram recommends posts based on your activity. Step 3, pull down on the Explore page to refresh it. This helps Instagram update your feed with new posts that match your interests. Step 4, like posts you want to see more of, this signals to Instagram which content you enjoy so similar posts appear more often. Step 5, tap the 3 dots on posts you don't want to see. This opens options to control what appears in your Explore feed. Step 6, tap Not Interested. This removes similar posts from your recommendations and helps tailor your feed to your preferences. Step 7, refresh the Explore page and repeat as needed. The more you interact and mark content, the more personalized your feed becomes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy and useful Instagram tips.